Today we have a 2007 Chrysler Town Country 3.8 motor. The battery's being finicky on this one. We are going to show you where that is located and how to replace it. Once we get the hood open, this is a Group 34 battery. This is your battery hold down right here, which is a 13 millimeter, and these are two 10s. I did happen to notice that the negative was a little loose, so I think the battery's actually okay, but we're still going to show you how to take this thing out and put it back in. So we'll demonstrate that. This is the negative, this is the positive. Loosen those up real quick. I mean, batteries usually last 3 to 5 years. Depends what quality you buy. If you buy the cheapest one, maybe 3 years. Okay. So those are my two 10s. And the hold down there is a 13. Make sure you put it down the same way it came off, just like that. Okay, just pull that out like that. Nice interstate battery, so good quality. So to install it, just do it in the reverse order we just did. Okay, you want to put the hold down first. You can see it's gripping the bottom of the battery right there. Okay. Okay, snug that up so the battery don't go flopping around when you're driving down the road. Good enough. It's holding it. Okay, and as long as we got the chance here, we're going to clean our post right here. Get one of these. Get any of the corrosion off of there. Make it look new. Anytime you have any corrosion, stuff like that, you got to take your battery terminals off like that and clean them. Okay, so both of those are cleaned. Now inside this, they actually have the brush. You can clean it, so we got good contact. Okay, put the positive on real quick. Tighten that up. Snug. Same thing on the negative. Okay. So this is actually the process for either just cleaning the battery like we just did, and since this one's good, how to do the maintenance on it, like you'd want to take it and clean the post apart. So it's a 2007 Chrysler Town Country, and that's all it takes.